Happy New Year, everybody. You too. Maybe this little pallet bridge makes sense to you now on the way to the garden. Hey, that's the winter rye I planted. You shouldn't be able to see this. A raindrop just got me in the eye between me and my glasses. The hell? Raindrops feel like a boulder was a lyric in that song in my short yesterday. Let's observe some water flow. Oh no. Oh boy. That wasn't me. That wasn't me that opened this. Boy. I'm not going to stress about that gate being open. I'm just going to let you observe. Happy New Year, everyone.